A standard king-size mattress typically weighs between 30 to 50 kilogram, a challenge for most people to lift. Make bed maintenance a breeze with Easymaker's Pneumatic Mattress Jack. This innovative tool lifts and lowers mattresses effortlessly, acting as a solution to the strenuous task of changing bed linens. The jack, capable of handling up to 453 kilogram, simplifies the process into a quick 1-minute task. Forgetfulness is not an issue. The jack automatically lowers the mattress and turns off after 8 minutes. All this convenience comes at a reasonable price of $134. Upgrade your bed-changing routine with Easymaker's efficient and user-friendly pneumatic mattress jack, making your bedding chores feel like a walk in the park. The folks at Outmore Living believe there is something magical about being outdoors. Experience nature's beauty year-round with our furniture line. Our chairs and sofas feature built-in heating, ensuring quick warmth in just 60 to 90 seconds. Easily adjust the temperature between 49 to 29 degrees Celsius for your comfort. While setting up the teak sofa, weighing 45 kilogram may be a challenge, its weight and price tag, $1,400 per chair, haven't stopped eager buyers. Enjoy the luxury of warmth and style with our furniture, bringing the outdoors inside. In 2015, the founder of AutoSpout purchased a house. A few years later, the house faced flooding due to a malfunctioning rainwater drainage system. He founded a company to craft a novel solution, now visible on your screen. It's an innovative gutter extension requiring no electricity, batteries, or smart home intricacies. When it rains, the extension effortlessly descends with the water flow, and as the rain subsides, it gracefully returns upright. This mechanism efficiently directs water approximately 1.5 meters away from your home. Equipped with drainage holes, the extension mitigates issues like ice buildup and mold. This ingenious design ensures seamless functionality without unnecessary complexities. This remarkable solution can be yours for just $60. This kitchen hood is so smart that it can even suggest you new recipes right on its 27-inch touchscreen. This device runs on Android, offering access to various apps. When you need a break from cooking, use the built-in cameras for video chats or enjoy other features like sending emails, listening to music, and checking the weather with Voice Assistant Plus. Efficiently circulating 17 cubic meters of air per minute, it's priced at $948. For an additional cost, you can get the equally smart stove with an oven for $5,000. Solar Plus Incorporated specializes in solar panels and related products. The 60-cell REC Alpha solar panel is notable, delivering 410 watts of power. These panels effortlessly integrate into various home designs. Lumos panels, for example, can be customized for terraces or parking lots. Additionally, installing these panels may qualify you for a tax credit in certain regions. As an addition for solar shades and verandas, consider these energy storage systems from Marstek. Compact versions, like the MTEB 2500, are small enough to fit on your balcony. With a capacity of 6,720 watt-hours, it's easy to install in just 15 minutes. The Marstek B 2500 with 2240 watt is priced at $1,266. Have you ever seen videos of a trash can tumbling down the street because of the wind? The can Koala offers a simple solution for the common issue of bins being easily knocked over. This stabilizer enhances stability and secures the lid, preventing spills. The design is user-friendly and comes unassembled, but the assembly process is straightforward. Compatible with containers ranging from 132 to 363 liters, the can Koala is versatile. Priced at $179. It's an affordable way to improve bin functionality and prevent messes caused by tipping. It's amazing how progress has touched every corner. Even chicken coop are getting smarter. The Coupe team model is a smart system that uses AI algorithms, cameras, and sound sensors to monitor bird behavior. It sends updates to the owner's smartphone, keeping them informed about their feathered friends' well-being. If the birds seem unhappy, the Coupe provides suggestions to improve their mood. For more, it has a built-in heating system, and its doors open and close automatically. Each Coupe can house 4 to 6 birds and is priced at $11,995. This washing machine can be installed almost anywhere as it fits in cupboards and doesn't require water connections. The machine is compact, measuring 1.1 meters wide and 60 centimeter high. The washing and drying cycle takes approximately 90 minutes, and it can handle 3.6 kilograms of laundry at once. You can fill the 10-liter removable container easily from the tap. Its design might remind you of the movie WALL-E, possibly why it's named Eva. The price is around $800. Amazon reported that around 49 million US residents had at least one package stolen. In 2021, porch thefts led to the creation of a term for these thieves: Porch Pirates. Protective parcel boxes, such as the popular Yale ones, are now highly sought after. Priced at $280, these boxes come with Wi-Fi, enabling remote opening via smartphone. There's also a keypad option available. The largest box measures 71 centimeters in width and 61 in height, with the option to include a cooling insert. These boxes seamlessly integrate into smart home systems, offering a secure solution to prevent theft and enhance convenience. This is how you can prolong the swimming season if you're an outdoor pool enthusiast. The popular $126 heating system is in high demand due to its cost-effectiveness, utilizing free solar energy. This efficient heater can warm up to 10 cubic meters of water by 0.7 degrees Celsius in just 10 hours. Weighing approximately 7 kilograms, it is easy to assemble. Notably, the generated heat is shielded from the wind, enhancing its overall effectiveness. Meanwhile, La Sommelier has embarked on creating the first smart wine cellar. For those with extensive collections of over 100 bottles, managing them can be a challenge. Traditional methods involve maintaining a record, either on paper or digitally, requiring constant updates. However, storing your bottles in Leair Cabinets simplifies the process. These cabinets instantly display which bottle was added or taken. If you have a sizable collection, you can link multiple cabinets to access all data on your smartphone. The Leair 185 cabinet model accommodates 185 bottles, providing temperatures between 5 to 20 degrees Celsius, and is priced at $4,230.